Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Trundlebed Tales in the Kitchen with Laura. Today we are going to be talking about ginger water, which is something not only used in the Little House books and a recipe found in the Little House cookbook, but it's also a long-term tradition in my family that I learned from my grandfather. So the reason behind ginger water is if it's really hot outside and you drink some cold well water or anything that's ice cold, your stomach's going to cramp up. But you can drink as much ginger water as you want and you'll be fine. So today I have two little helpers with me. I have Dash and Violet, who are going to help put this together. Now this is also something that is in my In the Kitchen with Laura program, so if you come to one of those, this is something you might get to do too. Now our official recipe reader is going to be Dash, so do you want to read us the first ingredient?
1/2 to 3/4 cup packed brown sugar.
And he was going to start with the first thing, so he's got the brown sugar here, and we've got to have it so we can see the cup, so they know what you're doing. And he's packing it in. Now, in Laura's time, when she was measuring, she didn't have real measuring cups or measuring spoons like you have today. Instead, she used the Fannie Farmer method of using teaspoons and teacups and things like that around the house. And so we've got today just a normal average teacup and also a teaspoon that's actually a pattern from the 1930s. So, how are we coming? We need some more. And if you haven't used brown sugar before, it's important to get the measurement right that you pack it down. Why don't you flip it up to the camera so they can see how smooth it is that you're pushing it down.
There.
And that's a step you wouldn't need to take if we were using regular sugar or something like that. But brown sugar works best for this recipe. And I think that's probably pretty good. You can put one more scoop in, I think. All right. So, now you want to go ahead and put that in the pitcher.
I get to do the next one.
Yep.
Can I stir first this time? No.
Well, you can stir, yeah. Okay.
I get to stir.
Now you may have to use your... Oh, nope, there it goes. Okay, so do we get all of it?
Yeah.
Oh, we got just a little left, so let's make sure we get that out of there.
I got it.
Okay, and while he's doing that, you can also tell us what is the next ingredient.
Right in the can.
You've got the recipe.
I know. She can come over here though. Hey, well, let me have that back ready. Wait.
Okay, so it's 1 teaspoon powdered ginger. So you've got the ginger here, and you've got the teaspoon.
You don't need to use the spoon.
So let's go ahead and measure. Now usually with a can like this, and I think we're going to try this, we're going to actually just go in and scoop up a teaspoon worth, approximately. It doesn't have to be exact. No, we're not pouring it in the cup, we're going to put it in the pitcher. Okay, and what is the next ingredient?
1/2 cup of white vinegar.
Of cider vinegar. So
I need
you need the spoon out of there, and you've got the cider vinegar. So we're going to pour that in.
just like the thing I know.
Good. Now, wait. Now, before you put the cap back on, now for the people who are just watching the video, you want to tell them what it smells like? Does it smell like apples? Apple cider
Yes.
a little bit?
Apple cider.
What do you think?
So
Okay.
I dump this
Go
one.
ahead and pour that in.
It smells gross when it's in there though. So now the cold water.
So you go ahead and once you do a little stirring, and you're going to pick up the water. Can you get it or do you need help? All right. All right. Now pull the spoon out.
I get to stir it.
And you get to stir next.
I'm just gonna do it a little. Then I still get to put the
Okay.
baking soda in.
And so what is then our last ingredient?
Put the baking soda in. It feels good.
I'll tell you what, he's going to do the first teaspoon and then you can do some later. Because actually you can restart this. It is best when it is fizzing, and if it stops fizzing you can always add a little more baking soda and it won't hurt it at all. Now the reason that this works is because the cider is an acid, and the cider vinegar is an acid, and the baking soda is a base. So when you stir a base and an acid together, what do you get?
Fizz.
Fizz. That's exactly right. And it feels a lot better in your tummy than it does if you would just be drinking that cool well water. You want to go grab us a couple cups for tasting?
I don't want to taste anymore.
We need just get a cup. Reagan, just get a cup.
This one's for sale.
All right. Well, I guess
That looks like root beer.
we are out of the brave people, so I'm going to drink some.
It looks like root beer.
But you guys did have some earlier, right? And did you think it was okay?
Yes.
I don't like
You said you did.
Well, we tried.
Grandma, stop your
Ginger water.
Get the other
Thank you from Trundle Bed Tales and Brighten the Corner where you are.
it. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.